Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today. Hey folks, today we have a Stihl BR 800C, and we're going to give you our thoughts on this unit. We're going to tell you what all the specifications are, and we're going to show you how easy it is to operate it. So stay tuned. Okay folks, so this here is the BR 800 that actually belongs to my son Nathaniel. He got this as his birthday gift from his grandfather this year. And we have been using this quite a bit. We've done one paid leaf cleanup so far with it, and it worked out great, didn't it, Nathaniel? Yeah, it worked out really good. Come a little closer, buddy. So let's take a quick little look at this thing right quick. Some of the differences between this one and the 800X, this one's about $50 more. The main thing is this pull start right here that you can pull while you have it strapped to your back, okay? It's like an easy start operation here, and we'll show you how that does here in just a little bit. That's the biggest difference in this unit and just about every other backpack blower on the market, okay? And it's really neat. So if you're standing there working and a customer comes out to talk to you, you can hit the kill switch, you can talk to them, blah, 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 and then when they walk off, you don't have to take it off your back. You can fire it right back up and keep on blowing, okay? Works out pretty good. Another couple features on this thing, bring the camera down here, Nathaniel. This one has the chest strap and the hip strap, okay, to help it hold it to your body a little bit better, and I believe the 800X does not have that, correct, Nathaniel? Nope. It does not, okay, cool. Now, another thing I think is pretty neat, and some of the other Stihls do not have this. I'm not exactly sure which ones do or don't, but the extendable tube is a very cool feature, and it does have that on this model as well. This little clip right here holds the tube up and out of the way when you are not in use, and then you can unclip it and you can use the tube, you know, to operate. But it just helps for storage when you can take this and clip it right back up here in place, okay? So there we go with some of the differences between this and the 800X. And now we will move on to some specifications. Okay guys, I pulled up a text here that Nathaniel texted me earlier. He texted me some specs that he found online. So we'll just go down the list here. Let's see if I got the one I want to start with here. Okay, it runs on gas, okay, so it is two-stroke. So we do we use the Stihl brand oil mix that we mix with ethanol-free gasoline. We pay a little bit more for that. We run that in all of our equipment, okay? We run that stuff in everything because the ethanol will definitely mess with fuel lines and all your carburetor parts and stuff. So we do not use any of that. We only use the good stuff. So now, sound pressure rating, 78 decibels, which it can be a little loud. So we definitely recommend good quality ear protection when you do use this unit, okay? Maximum air velocity, 239 miles an hour comes out of the end of this tube here. That's pretty awesome, okay? Now, what actually is even more impressive than that it's 912 CFMs, okay? Let's see, CFM stands for cubic foot of air per minute, okay? So that's quite a bit of air that is being produced here to move leaves and grass and so forth. It does a really good job on moving the leaves. Let's see here. Engine power, 4.4, I guess BPH, I guess that's horsepower. I'm not sure what the B stands for. I guess I'll have to go look at that. But I'm assuming it's 4.4 horsepower. Fuel capacity is 67 ounces, which is about a half a gallon, okay? So it holds about a half a gallon of fuel, and she is thirsty, okay? We were out blowing the other day, and Nathaniel was wearing the Stihl. I had on the Husqvarna 150, which doesn't have near the power, but he ran out of gas first before I did. So it is thirsty, it loves to drink. Okay, displacement, 79 cc's. That is a pretty decent size engine, okay? So guys, there's all your specifications. And now let's get Nathaniel over here. I'm gonna film him demonstrating how to crank this thing. Okay guys, here's Nathaniel. Say hey Nathaniel.
Hello.
Hey, we are getting ready to start this thing up. So Nathaniel, go and take us through the process here. What do we gotta do here to get this thing going?
All right, first you're gonna do this right here. You're gonna choke.
Choke it straight up.
All right, and first you gotta do is pump the little ball 6 times.
6 times, okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, cool. Now what?
And you're gonna pull this right here.
Pull that, okay. Do you need to put it down on the floor to do it?
I'm gonna put it on the
okay,
floor.
all right, cool. Make it a little easier for the first start. So guys, the first start you're gonna have to do on the ground. You can't do that while it's on your back, right Nathaniel?
Nah.
You gotta warm it up a little bit
you
first, okay.
Warm it up just a little bit.
Okay, so Nathaniel's gonna go and start this thing. Go ahead, buddy.
Just try it. Hold up, try again. Alright.
Alright guys, so there you go. We'll set it up here on the table again, Nathaniel.
Alright.
Okay folks, so you can see that was pretty easy right there to crank it up. I'd say that's pretty easy, don't you say so, Nathaniel?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Alright, so go ahead and we'll let it warm up a few minutes, and then we'll actually strap it on Nathaniel, and he'll show you how easy it is to restart it as well. Okay guys, we have warmed it up a little bit. Nathaniel's going to show you how to kill it.
Alright, if you want to cut this off, you got to do this right here.
Okay, I'm not sure they saw what you were touching here. Was there a kill switch here?
This here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The actual knob itself. Okay, so what do? You just hit it back? Like, oh, like right there. Okay, guys. See here? Here's our like cruise control button. But if you want to kill it, you just go like that and then bounce back?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That's awesome. All right, let's take it outside. Let's strap it to Nathaniel, and then he'll show you how to restart it. Okay, folks, so we're out here now, and Nathaniel is all geared up, ready to go. Notice that the backpack blower is installed. He's got his chest strap and his waist strap on as well. He's got his ear protection. He's got a dust mask, American flag dust mask there. I love that. And eye protection as well. So he's ready to go. Come on this way just a little bit, Nathaniel, and go ahead and show the good people how easy it is to restart this thing. He's just going to pull on the handle. Look at there, guys. How easy is that? Okay, so now Nathaniel is going to go around front. It's a little windy right here today. We're actually going to wait and probably do our cleanup later. But we're going to go ahead and finish up this video and show you some good action on how well this thing can blow. So stay tuned for that. Okay guys, hey, we're gonna wrap this video up here right now. Nathaniel, what do you think about this thing, man?
That gets the job done.
It definitely gets the job done. It moves some leaves fast. I'm getting ready to go get my backpack blower. We're gonna tag team this yard. I think the wind has died down a little bit. We're gonna rock and roll this yard here right quick. But guys, we just wanted to show you the BR800C. Definitely well worth the money if you have a big yard to clean up, or if you do this for a living and you're gonna do leaf cleanups. And anything else you want to say, Nathaniel? You're just happy you own that thing, ain't you? Yeah. You love it, don't you? Guys, thank you for stopping by today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, or Nathaniel will come blow leaves in your yard if you don't. And check out the description down below, and there might be some cool links to some cool products that we use in our videos, and any purchases from that will definitely help support this channel. Have a great day. Bye-bye.